Directions! Anyway.
Maybe if we get something new here.
Something new. Oh no. Much to say here. Apart from I'm shooting things. Where are they coming from? Ah, here. The sky. Coming from the sky. Oh no. Only they will profit first. Of course, there's no profit there in this game. Actually, no, I take that back. There is Fleet Bridge. This is the place to get to it. Seriously, in this game, they know how to make a boss fight.
They're everywhere!
Die. Welcome to the secret world of Die. Oh, that's where that's coming from. That's where that red dot was. Bye.
Sergeant,
Oh.
we got you just in time.
That was easy.
We're pulling active base to regroup.
That was really easy. Okay. Assassination.
Looks like you're going solo on this one,
Airtime
Sarge.
is where I'm
The
getting.
squad's got a mandatory aerobics class we can't miss. Anyway, give those
Ready for this?
fluoride scum sacks a whooping for us.
Skill point. There you go. That was it. Skill point achieved. That's all I wanted. And the other one is the refractor, which not too sure how that's going to work right now. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Oh, where they took me very easy long to get into the Earth, which isn't good. Not entirely anyway. Yeah, I think there's only, from what I can remember, there's only 4 more levels after this, from what I seem to remember of this game. There seems to only be about 4 more levels, which is great. Because that means there's not much left, and we're nearly done. It's incredible. We've done so much already. Ah, great. It was so peaceful a second ago. What that word was? Ah, that tiny change. Ah, I remember where the, one of the things are. One of the bolts are. And I think I know where the other one is as well, actually. Yeah, I only just remembered by looking at that bridge, because I remember being stumped by it for a while. I looked up guides and everything that said under the bridge. I was just like, what?
Took on an army of ghost pilot robots with nothing but a quack array and a half-charged crouchy
I want the cracker.
Some of the older guys call you cabin boy, sir. All units maintain radio silence. That must have been a real feather in your cap, Chief. Keep talking, J-31. We'll see how you like scrub duty for the next 6 weeks.
Until you're repeated, sir. There we go, and step left. Bye. Bye again. I'm now screwed with rift. Thank you very much. Now what? Just this. Liquid nitrogen, anyone? deny it. It works. Where's the last one then? Oh, they're over there. Invading the fortress. I dare him to go into the middle. The fear of my own life. Fear of my own life, what you do it for me? Go on, fire. Kill him, you can do it. That works.
Mission accomplished. All Rangers regroup and get ready to take back the valley.
There we go. How cool was that? Reclaim the valley.
Sarge, we need to activate those turrets to create a defensive perimeter around
Oh,
the
I
valley.
remember this one. Yeah, this one's quite good actually. I quite like it. Ow, I hate this actually. No, I remember it. It's horrible. I'm wrong. Ignore me. It's horrible. I was thinking you can do it, but just by doing that, but no, you can't. You have to get rid of these turrets. Or these missiles, or whatever you want to call them. Just keep this here and you should be fine. For anyone who comes near you. If anyone does, of course, come near you. You should be fine, in theory.
I think maybe
That
we should stick around
course
here
is a
and guard
theory,
this
though.
turret. You know, in case the Noids try anything sneaky. You can handle the rest yourself.
Cheers. I've $500,000 bolts. That's actually fairly impressive. That actually is fairly impressive. I don't think I've had that much on a normal run before. I don't normally go for absolutely everything on a normal run through, so that's probably why. Alright. Just want to make sure that I'm safe. Because this is an area that I want to be safe in, okay? Until the thing runs out, of course, then I'm screwed. But I got this thing. Now I think I remember where the other,
Let's go, Sarge. You don't need any help, do you?
yeah, I think I remember where the last titanium bot is.
Break it up. I'll call back later.
I did take things. I think I remember. I think it's in their enemy base. I think it's behind their own base. I'm pretty sure. So you have to go over one of these. One of these to get to it. I believe, from what I remember. I think. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Of course, I might be wrong there. You're dead. Let's do it. One more to go.
Go, Sarge. Bring it out. One to go.
There. One to go. Boom. Can't believe there's only 14 more nanotech boosts you can get. That's actually fairly easy to do, to be honest. That is actually quite easy to do, surprisingly. It sounds hard, but it's quite easy. When you think about it. It's quite impressive. Right, screw that. One of you. No, I feel like vengeance, so I'm going to kill absolutely everything. Where's the last poor sod who needs to die? You. And everything is dead. I just felt like doing it. Seems like fun. Oh, it's over here. Lol. It was the wrong way with that weird garden. That is quite funny.
All right, perimeter secured. Another victory for the Rangers.
Yay!
Hey, maybe you should try pulling your own weight next time, Sarge.
Aha. Yes, this is it.
We've got the Noids on the run. If somebody could push through those tunnels, we could launch a direct assault on the enemy base.
Someone would be me, wouldn't they?
There's a room full of Noids up ahead, Sarge. You go in and clear them out. Fine. And cover the rear.
find that out. Just in case you're confused on the situation.
Take cover! The knights are coming over the bridge!
Well, my thingy here would say otherwise. It's all okay. Apart from you can die in hell.
There's a Tyrannoid ship blocking the truck. That's it. The enemy base is wide open.
Honey, that's the...
Time to finish the job.
Okay, here it is. This is where it is. It's funny, I didn't once see a refractor beam. Not once. What the hell is it talking about? A refractor beam. So I didn't once see a refractor beam. I think the guide I'm using is getting confused. Must be. Lol, I think it's trying to fire at me. It's not doing a great job, if I'm being perfectly honest. Okay, here it goes. Wait for it. Didn't mean to use that. Here it goes. Okay, now one more. I only have 20 health, but it's okay because I have that extra health, which is just been used, so I may die soon.
Inform command that Outpost X-12 has been secured.
Warp pad? What the hell? Oh, I remember now.
Hey, Sarge, over here.
What the?
Pretty cool, huh? It's called a warp pad. Great for running away. Here, I got an extra one.
Thank you. Starship now. We gotta hurry. If I remember what this is, I think this is what I think it is. Think.
Hey, Al, what's up?
Let's see. The neural matrix of this autonomous simulacrum retains an imprint of the template's original psyche embedded at its core level.
You lost me after, let's see.
He means it may be possible to reverse the process.
Dude. What a trip.
Cool, I guess. Al, we recovered a data disk from Nefarious's cruiser. Can you decode it?
Of course. Yes. Ooh. Omega-class asymmetric encryption. Finally, a challenge worthy of my skills. Oh, by the way, we found something interesting in Quark's quarters.
Hey, if it's another crotchetizer, I don't even want to...
It is a Quark vid comic. Specifically, it is episode 5 of the Dr. Nefarious series. But as everyone knows, only 4 issues were ever published. Not even my pals in the Quark Cadets fan club have ever heard of this issue. And those guys are real geeks, if you know what I mean.
I sure do. Thanks, Al. We'll check it out.